Alright, welcome back to another episode of Offspring Chaos. Today, we're going to prep this Ranger to get it sold. Pretty much going to clean it up, make sure it's all super shiny and appealing to the eyeballs. We're going to make sure we do everything the right way, clean it up. I don't want any more scratches on this thing. Alright, so this is the truck that I'm talking about that I was standing in front of. This is a 1999 Ford. You're gonna have to hold on, buddy. I'm talking to the people about the truck. It's a 1999 Ford Ranger. It's got the 5.0 in it. It came out of a, I believe, 2001 Ford Explorer, all-wheel drive setup. It's got the, I think, the 5.0 and I forgot what trans is in there, but it's got the constant all-wheel drive setup. I took out the front differential because, one, it puts a lot of load on the system, and two, it feels a lot lighter when I'm driving around. But we're gonna clean it up today and see if we can throw it on the market, get it all pretty looking, you know, trying to shine up this turd. So I haven't really talked about this truck at all. So if you climb under it, I changed out the rear end. It's got an 8.8 LSD. It's got the 410 gear ratio in it. I did have a 7.5 open rear end. So I got into an accident and it bent the whole axle, so I had to upgrade slash swap out the rear end. So somebody T-boned me right there, so yeah, beating off like butter. So I'm gonna do this the right way and talk to you while he's washing the truck. That's the only thing that I've done to this thing in the engine bay was replace the pump, replace the line to the pump, replace the EGR valve, coolant bypass valve that got blown to smithereens because I let it run for too long and blew up. That's really about it. Everything else is just stock from the Explorer. You helping? Yeah, what do you want to say to the camera? Cheese! Cheese! You helping Dom clean the Ranger? Yeah. Yeah, you want to say anything funny? Big one. Big one? Okay, yeah. I guess that's kind of funny. So it actually does have a custom-made Flowmaster 40 dual exhaust on it, so you don't really see that too much on a Ranger unless it's highly modified. Crawl under here real quick. Run away. So yep, it is custom. I don't know if you can see that, but all the way back, it's brand new. Yeah, custom make the white pipe up there. What? All right, see what I was talking about? There was absolutely no rust. Now this truck was nice enough as it, as it aged, it got lighter and lighter and stuff. So that's how I look at that. It's not really anything that's bad. It's just kind of fuel economy. As the engine wears down, the body just falls apart, and it just kind of equals out as it ages. That's how I look at that. Yeah, get to work. Child labor is legal at our house. Here, you can rinse the light. Yeah, these tires are from the other Ranger that we got here in the driveway. These Good Beer Wranglers. They're actually not too bad. They had some bigger mud swampers on here before, but when I got in the wreck, I think it damaged the tire on the backside, so it kind of vibrates your teeth out. And I was driving this thing to work for at least a year or so, and I don't want to be toothless by the end of the year, so I changed them out. Got some custom bumpers on here. Those that go through an old lady's, you know, Honda Camry. Got some on the back. You know, got that Husky toolbox for anybody who wants to throw a dead body in there. Nobody will ever know. Best thing to do is we got to test on it a little bit before we get rid of it. Make sure, you know, all the bolts are still tight and tires are still attached to it. So hopefully we're going to do one last burnout, and hopefully the tires are still attached to it after. But just give it a little send off. So let's go.
Daddy, is the sun broken?
Is the what broken?
The sun broken.
No.
The sun isn't broken.
No, the sun's not broken. Come on, dude.
Come on.
We gotta go to the subdivision because the truck is we're in Mexico right now, by the way. So the truck's not legal in Michigan, but we're in Mexico right now. So we're gonna do this one last burnout. But so I'm taking the side streets. Taking the side streets. So I don't hit the main road, so I don't get pulled over and, you know, the cops stop me before we do this burnout. This truck is so nimble compared to the other truck. So nimble.
Daddy, it's so nipple.
Yes. So the speedometer right now says I'm going like 40 miles an hour. So whoever buys this thing is gonna make it seem like they're going really, 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 really fast, but really not. Alright, we'll find a spot down the street. So we're gonna park it here and then take some pictures of it, and then we're probably gonna take it off, because if you turn around, there's probably maybe a good 1/8 mile, 1/4 mile. We do a burnout, rip up some dirt or some rocks, and then kind of park it and post it. So yeah, we're just gonna leave it here and take some pictures of it. I don't know, I just thought the woodsy spot would probably be good where it says road ends, and hopefully that's not a bad sign for the truck, because I'm hoping that the next person that has it, it'll last a day or so for them. So, all right, let's take pictures. a super weak one, but we did it. So we're just gonna park it and post it. So hopefully we get some buyers this weekend, because we got to make some room in the driveway so I can get my Mustang out. Start painting on that Corvette. All right, so I think that'll be it for this video. If you like what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe. This is gonna be it. I know it's the first and last time you see this truck, but if you like what you saw, there'll be more videos like this. Catch you again next time.